What a beautiful fairy! Hey, hi everyone! Welcome to my world of colors. So, today I'm gonna color in my Maleficent 2 coloring page. Dun dun dun! I hope you guys follow along with me, and you need something to do with markers, yellow paper, and some craft tools. So let's get ready because I will get started right now. Okay, so today I'm gonna color is a picture of Maleficent. Let's start on her face first. She has light green eyes. Her lips are pink and light peach skin. Oh, Maleficent has a green ring in here. And let's color in her horn and around of her head, dark gray. I'm gonna color in her suit, dark blue and dark gray. And she has a green gemstone right here. And I finished coloring in Maleficent. Lastly, let's collage and frame the picture. and I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so awesome. Maleficent just looks so cool and I love her. Alright, thanks for watching guys. I hope you have fun in my world of colors, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button to get the newest fun video I make. I'm Harry P from World of Colors. Have a fun day and I will see you next time. Bye.